Mobile Geeks, and here I am with the Nokia XL. So this is the Nokia hardware, 5 inches, and this is running a version of Android. So they're calling it Nokia X because it's the intersection between Android and Microsoft products. So why this is different than normal Android is obviously it's skinned. It looks a lot like Microsoft's Live Tile, right? And these are actually called tiles, and you can manipulate them in a similar way that you can to normal kind of messaging here. So the difference is we do have widgets, but if we head back over here into the home screen, when you go right, it goes into your more recent applications, and you go left, and it's also the same thing with your recent applications. It's a dual SIM, 5-inch, 800 by 480 QVGA display. Sorry, not QHD. That's crazy talk. All right, so on the front here we have a 2-megapixel camera. On the back we have a 5-megapixel camera with autofocus and LED flash. So you are getting Nokia's great hardware build. If you kind of look around, all the colorful phones, and they all have interchangeable backs, and all seems very Nokia-like, actually. So there's the volume rocker power button, a headphone jack up there at the top. Around the other side we have nothing, and around the bottom we have a micro USB. So this is the more expensive of the three, and I think that comes in at, what was it, 120 euros / dollars, something like that. I'm definitely interested, because when you look at, you know, the kind of home screen, and it's kind of infinite scroll for as many apps that you have, and the apps that you can port are they're Android apps, obviously, but the difference is that the Google Cloud services have been removed. So what that means is if you want to port your Android app into the Nokia store, it's probably going to take you about 2 hours, right? So you need to verify the app, go through all the process, get all your stuff checklist off, make sure everything's cool, and then you'll be in the Nokia store, this store. So if you have Google Cloud services associated with your application, it'll probably take you from 4 to 8 hours to get everything synced up with Nokia's services. So what actually will happen is okay, let's just head back. Instead of, say, Google Maps, it'll be Here Maps, right? So it's just a bunch of different services aligning Android with Microsoft services, which is why they call it Nokia X. So this is just a quick hands-on with the Nokia XL. This is the larger 5-inch IPS version, and I'm Nicole Scott from Mobile Geeks, over here at Mobile World Congress, taking a look at Nokia X.